Unlock a world of savings on your favorite Target finds with your exclusive employee discount. First things first, let's talk eligibility generally. Most Target team members are eligible for the discount, but it's always a good idea to confirm specific details with your HR department or store leadership, especially if you're a newer hire. Once you're confirmed eligible, accessing your discount is usually done through two main methods: your employee discount card or the Target app. If you have a physical employee discount card, you'll typically present this at the checkout. Make sure it's clearly visible to the cashier. Alternatively, many team members can access their discount digitally through the Target app. Look for a dedicated section for employee benefits or your team member ID. You might need to scan a barcode or show a QR code at the register. Now, let's talk about maximizing those savings. Your employee discount typically applies to a wide range of merchandise. This includes clothing, home decor, electronics, and groceries. Keep an eye out for sales and clearance items, because your employee discount often stacks on top of these, leading to even greater savings. While the employee discount is incredibly valuable, there are a few important guidelines to remember to ensure you're adhering to company policy. Some items may have restrictions, such as gift cards, alcohol, certain electronics, or items already heavily discounted or on specific promotions. Always refer to the official Target employee discount policy for a complete list of what's included and what's not. Use your discount responsibly and enjoy the fantastic perks of being a Target team member.